In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign in on Netflix on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go to media, and to go to media, you can press R1 or navigate to media. Then here go to Netflix app. If you don't have the app, you can download it from here, or you can search, and after searching you can download. So after downloading the Netflix app, go on that Netflix icon, press X. Now wait for it to load. So now once the app is loaded, go to sign in and press X. Now here are two ways to sign in. The first way is to use your phone. So point the camera on your phone or tablet at this code, or go to this Netflix website, netflix.com/TV2, and enter this code. Now you can, if you want, you can also sign up. Here you can see there is a sign up button. Go on that and press X, and you'll be able to sign up. Now the second way to sign in is to use remote. So select remote. Now here enter the email address. After entering, go on the next button and press X. Now enter password, and after entering password, go on the next button and press X. And if all of the information is correct, you will be signed in. So this is how you can sign in on Netflix on your PS5. Thanks for watching.